Okay, we'll get right into it. All right, so we're going to use basically classes or object orientation in V. Okay, so let's just let's create a new file. OOP2.v. Try this. All right. It does it exactly the same way as Go. Right. There are no classes, but there's structs. So you put a struct in here. Let's just say dog. Okay. And we'll put empty. Okay. We'll put some properties in here, and we'll put something like. All right. Let's size. But okay. Like all other variables, you have to declare it as mutable, and this is how you do it inside of a struct, right? So we'll say size int, okay? And if you want to be able to access a variable directly or like statically from the struct, you have to put pub mute. Okay, so pub mute, and we'll say his name can be changed. All right, and that's pretty much that right there, right? So we'll put that. Okay, so main. All right, so we'll do Fido dog. All right, usually what we would do here is we would put like size. All right, you just do it just like JSON. So we'll say he's 12, whatever that means. Okay. So and then we will change his name. So Fido dot name equals, we'll put it Fido, because right now we didn't declare a name here, right? So let's print this out and see what we get. Okay, so Fido dot name. All right, so v OOP2 dot v. Okay. All right, so we got an error. Okay, Fido is mutable. Declare it with mute to make it mute. Okay, so let's put MUT. That'll probably solve it. All right, there we go. It's not OOP2, and it prints out his name, Fido. Okay, so we can. Okay, we'll make the dog sing. Okay, so right here, this is how you declare a function or a method on, on a struct, right? So we'll put d dog. Okay, so the variable we're gonna have to use to access any of these values, we'll have to use d. Okay, then we put the function name. So we'll say sing. So the dog's gonna sing. Okay. Now, if we wanted to return like a string, we would put string here, but that's not what we're going to do here today. Okay. All right. So, we're going to print line. All right. So we'll say d. Okay. We'll say d, which is this variable here, d, which is going to be, which is going to reference any of these, variables. So okay, so name is singing. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll put on Fido. We'll keep it on Fido. Dot sing. Okay. So let's see how this compiles. Okay, compiled on the first time. Okay, what we got? Go down. See, Fido is singing. I'll do it again. Let me clear this out and I'll show you again. So Fido is singing. Fido is singing. Okay, so we did, we got the variables, or the we can access the the properties inside of the struct, just like this, and we put methods on it. Easy as that. Just like Go. It's kind of identical.